So here are 7 reasons why I love the Maxtek mobile whiteboard. Number 1, it has a large surface area. The size of this one is 80 centimeters by 120 centimeters. The second reason I love this board is that you can flip it. Third reason is that it's not too reflective. If you're making a video for YouTube, you don't want lots of glare coming off the screen. The fourth is that you can write clearly. The pens that you have provided, you get this pack of 3. They write really clearly on the board. It's clear for people to read. Fifth one is that the board rubber provided cleans the board really well. Number 6 is the mobility of the board. It's on wheels. You can move it around easily. You can move it out the way when you don't need it. It's light. It's sturdy, but it's light. Last reason why I love this is it's easy to put together. Here's an example of the instructions that are provided. There's a video, the link, which also shows you how to put it together. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.